How to manage your e-sign templates inside of Rinseables. So now that you've created your document inside of Rinseables, you can now create a template from your document. So to create a template from your document, you want to head down to the template section in the inner sidebar. From there, once you click on templates, you'll be brought to the document template section. So I'll hit the create my first template button. The first thing you'll notice after selecting create a template is you have to add the recipients. So if this is just a document that requires one recipient, then you would leave it as is. If you require two signers, then you would create two recipients so that there could be two separate signers. And if you need more than that, then you would just continue on. After adding the recipients, the next thing you'll need to do is select from documents. So because this is the test document we're going to use for the case of this video, this is the only one in our drop down, so we're going to select it. Now that we've selected this test document, we're going to go ahead and start to add fields. So how do we do that? We go ahead and hit either save and close, or we hit continue. In our case, we're going to hit continue. The first thing that you'll notice at the top of the template is a template name, and then here it says enter template name preview. So in order to actually save this template, you have to have a template name or it won't actually allow you to save. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and set this document up for the sake of this video. So it's not like it matters, but let's say blank agrees to. So let's start at the top. First thing I'll do is add some text fields for whom is going to be the first recipient. Pay to. We're going to let the second recipient go ahead and enter that data in themselves, just so it's all the way correct. For a fee of, this is going to be us. And one thing you'll notice is you have the ability to resize these fields as necessary. At the location, and then we'll and so the next field will be us again. And then we need two signatures. So this is the seller of the contract / manager P. And we need two signatures. And because we are the seller / contract holder in this case, we are going to be signature 1. And then we also would like to add a date. And then for recipient 2. And a date as well. So now that we have the document all filled out to our liking, we're going to save this as a test template. And now you see your test template right along with the amount of fields on the document and the status, the amount of times it's been used, when it was created, and then some quick actions. And those quick actions include being able to send it, being able to edit the template, duplicating the template, and then deleting the template.